in this video I'll show you how to fix in case your Sony Soundbar HT-S400 is not connecting to your Sony subwoofer. Alright, it's very easy how to fix this problem, and I'll show you how to link them in just a few seconds. So first of all, make sure your Sony Soundbar is turned on. Then you see something appearing on the screen. Okay, just press the power button, and we need to keep press both the Bluetooth button and the plus volume up button at the same time until we see something appearing on the screen. So let me demonstrate, and I'll press Bluetooth button and volume up. So I'm keeping them pressed and wait until you see secure link. Then lift your fingers, go in the back of your subwoofer, and you're gonna find that it has a power button, this big one, and beside it, it's a link button. It says link. You're gonna press once on this button during 1 second and lift your finger. I will do it, and take a look at what happened on the screen when I do this. Okay, so I press that button, I lift my finger from that button, and it will say done. It absolutely needs to say done to make sure that both of them have been linked together. And once you're done, well, this is it. You can start using your soundbar, and the sub should now be connected to the main unit. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, if this worked for you, please let me know in the comments down below. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I wish you a very beautiful day out there.